degree, minutes, and seconds. In this video, we are going to compare the units of angles in degree, minutes, and second to the units of time. And you should realize that the units of angles, this degree, minutes, and second, is very similar to the units of times, right? 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, and for time, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So this is similar, okay? For angles, we can write the units in degree, minutes, and second, and we can also write the answer in decimal places. For example, 25 degree, 50 minutes, 43 seconds, 25 degree, 15 minutes, 43 seconds, and equal. The answer is given in degree, minutes, and seconds, but when we tap on this degree, minutes, and seconds buttons, then the answer is changed to decimal places. So this is equal to 25.2619444 degree. Okay, so this is given in degree, minutes, seconds, and this is given in decimal places. We can also change this back to degree, minutes, and second. Let's clear the screen first. 25.2619444 equal. Okay, so the answer is given in decimal places. If we would like to change it to degree, minutes, and second, then we tap on these buttons. So this is given in degree, minutes, and seconds. So this is equal to 25 degree, 50 minutes, 43 seconds. Okay, now this can be very useful when we do calculations that involve times. Just now we already mentioned that the units of angle is similar to the units of time. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, compared to 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So let's say we would like to know 22 hours, 15 minutes, 16 seconds is equal to how many hours in decimal place, okay? So we can use the units of degree to key in this. So 2 hours is equal to 2 degree, and then 15 minutes, 16 seconds equal, and then okay, so from here we learned that 2 hours, 15 minutes, 16 seconds is equal to 2.254 hours. So that's how we change hours, minutes, and seconds to hours in decimal place. And of course we can also change hours in decimal place to hours, minutes, and seconds. So let's clear the screens and key in this 2.4356 equal, and then okay, so this is equal to 2 hours, 26 minutes, 8.16 seconds. Okay, so let's just put 8 seconds. So 2 hours, 26 minutes, 8 seconds. Okay, so you should realize that this is very useful, right, for calculations that involve the units of time, so, or converts minutes, seconds, hours to just hours, or hours in decimal place to hours, minutes, and seconds. Now let's see a few more examples. Let's say we would like to do some operations that involving time. So 2 hours, 50 minutes, 16 seconds plus 1 hour, 27 minutes, 58 seconds. So we can use the units of angles to do this. So 2 hours, 15 minutes, 16 seconds plus 1 hour, 27 minutes, 58 seconds. Okay, equal. So this is the answer. 3 hours, 43 minutes, 14 seconds. Okay, let's say we would like to know 2 hours, 15 minutes, 16 seconds divided by 4. So let's clear the screen first. Okay, 2 hours, 15 minutes, 16 seconds divided by 4 equal. Okay, so this is equal to 33 minutes 49 seconds. So 33 minutes 49 seconds. So that's how it works. Okay. So this is very useful. We can use the units of angles for the calculations of time.